start with the 12 animals here at night. So the best one is obviously the dragon, if you're born in the year of the dragon. And of course the rabbit. And the tiger. The horse. So it looks like she's a horse, since she's taking photos of the horse. The snake. And the goat or the ram. The monkeys. And she's interested in the chicken cockerel as well. So normally you take the animals that you're born under, or your lucky animal. And then here's the dog. They have an Alsatian. And finally the pig. That's basically 12 animals racing to the Buddha.